Hey guys, welcome to part 6 of this Godot Flappy Bird clone tutorial series. So in the last tutorial we basically ended off with a signal which killed our player like this in our scene. In this tutorial we're going to actually bring our menu in so that we display the restart button and allow us to restart our game when our player dies. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so now and hit that notification bell to get notifications of any new tutorials in future. So let's jump into our tutorial now and have a look at how we can get our menu to show up when our player dies. So it's going to be very similar to what we had previously, where we used a signal to actually tell our player that it has been killed by one of these obstacles. We are now just going to tell our menu that the player has died. So to do that, we're going to first of all just open up this menu script. We want to attach it to our menu. So here in the script, we're going to load it up and attach it to our menu. Next, what we want to do is open menu.gd, and remember we made this a control item, so what we need to do is extend from control. Then what we're going to do is we're going to borrow some code from our player, and we're just going to go and connect our player's connector here to our menu. So let's add that over here on ready, and we'll keep this as handle player die, and we will define a new function called handle player die inside of our menu code. So what we want to do here is we just simply want to enable our menu, and then after that we're going to attach our button to restart our game. So handle player die is going to just go ahead and just do self.show to show our menu, and then we will then attach our button, our restart button, to restart our game. For now, let's just test this out, see if this works. So our player dies and we get this restart menu. So let's go ahead and just get this restart menu working. So I'll just display this for now so we can see our button. And then in the node, we want to go ahead and just create a button down event. So button down, and what we want to do is we want to attach it to our menu script, and then when the button is down we can reload our game. So to do that we need to just use a built-in function called reload current scene. So we'll just go ahead and just say get tree dot reload current scene, and that will reload our entire game. So let's test this, see if it works. And it's still showing now because we didn't go and disable this. So disable that, and let's just play through this a little bit and die, and when we restart we're back and can die again. So guys, that's basically how we can get our menu working with our restart button. So guys, that's the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial we're going to look at the scoring system, which we're going to put at the top of our game, and then finish off this tutorial series. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.